Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited calls from Canada to India. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, nowadays when people have various options, we can find something good. But at the same time, we know that phone calls are declining and people are using apps like WhatsApp to make calls. But still, at certain times, like for example, you have to call a landline or you are calling someone who doesn't have a good network coverage. So, how you can make that call? That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So, I'm doing that with this app, Text Plus. So, how it works, like you can buy credit, okay, but if you do, but that means like you're going to pay money, right? But if you're like me and you don't want to pay money, you can earn credit by watching an ad. So you can play an ad and that's going to credit some balance in your account. Right now you see 56 cents. Then you can make a call, and when you make a call, what it does is, like, based on the destination, it charges you money, okay. And that's gonna go out from your balance. So for example, if you call somewhere in Canada, it's gonna be less. For India, I'm seeing like 4 cents per minute. So that means at this moment I can make uh, 14 minutes of calls to India absolutely free, and then I can regain my balance by watching more videos, and then that's fine. That's really good, like, and I really like this app. When it comes to calling, just make sure if you're calling India, you put the ISD code of India first before making the call. And that's how it works, guys. You can also allow this app to access your contact list, but I'm not sure about pros and cons, so I have not done that. Instead, if I when I call any number, I just copy the number, paste, and then I do my conversation. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.